Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So if you see this error, can't verify update, couldn't verify update package. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to know, you can see this message because you try to install some update with bugs or something wrong, so some errors could be in this update. That's why system can't verify this update and it won't allow you to install it. So you just need to try official way and just install on your phone only official version of system update. So just go to the settings, just open here about phone and just choose system update and just check for new updates and install the update only from this official resource. So just try this way and I hope that it will works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.